Clear all QA information. Let's look at how to reset all QA information for a particular language. You can do so via the Batch Actions menu by selecting Clear all QA information. In the menu, select the language for which you would like to clear all the QA information. Again, you have the option to apply a status or a bookmark to the segments as well. The Action Update window will display how many segments have been affected. As you can see, there are no more QA issues flagged in the working space.